Hey, what's up guys, FixAlex here. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove front door panel on this 2011 Chevy Malibu. And that's the tools that I'm gonna use today. Flat head, long nose pliers, pick tool. It's not necessary, but it's good. You can use a flat head, but it's good to have it. 10mm socket and Torx 25. Alright, so and the first step is to remove all the covers from the panel. Before we begin, we need to remove two clips on the sides and 4 cover behind the ledge. So, and for that I'm gonna use my little tools. Start from the top. I'm sorry guys, there is only 2 teeth. Don't be afraid to remove it. That's good. Now, using your flat head, remove the top cover. There is a clip, don't be afraid to break it. Just like this, just remove like that and leave it like that, in that position. Now again, small pick tools, remove that cover. Now 10mm bolts right here, 10mm over there, and now Torx 25 bolts. It's gonna be 4 bolts guys, 2 bolts here and 2 bolts behind that cover. So remove those 2 bolts. Remove window regulator, remove connector from your window regulator, just press this pin and remove it. And it's gonna be 2 more bolts here, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. All right. And also pins on the side of the door. Use your small tools, pick tool, push inside and then just remove it. Flat head, start from the bottom. There is a clips around the panel. The only clips is holding the door right now. Just pull the clips, lift the panel up and remove your connector for your door equipment. Now, using your long nose, you have to press those 2 teeth over here, just like this, and you're gonna be able to remove that connector. All right guys, and that's it. That's how you're removing the panel. Thank you for watching. Join to my channel and see you soon.